Hi everyone, again, this is your HEA 110 instructor, Brian Kaprowski. I just wanted to make a short video here because I want to go over the assignments that are due this week, and I also want to discuss some future assignments, in particular the exercise logs that you will need to start on this Wednesday, the 25th. First thing though I do want to address is the announcement that I sent out earlier this week. This is a brand new class, and the first time that we are launching this class this semester. So there was a different version of the class that we've been doing for several years, and we just completely revised the class. So there was a lot of confusion, I know, and I received your emails. There were some directions on assignments that were duplicate. So I would encourage you to read over this announcement that really explains what I took out and how I made these assignments in Concept 1 a lot easier to understand. Okay. A reminder, remember, this Wednesday, the 25th, I need for you to complete the Step 4 emails, Step 4 online orientation quiz, and the Step 9 consent and accountability form. You need to complete those in order to remain in the class. So please make sure that you are completing those as well. This week, also due on the 25th, you have your concept assignments. So let's go there. Let's look through that. Remember, that's under course modules, Concept 1 assignments. Okay, so for this week, I'll encourage you to read over Chapter 1, which you will need to do in order to complete the assignments. These are some documents here. So I need for you to complete this discussion board titled Introduction, Discussion, and Questions. Okay, this is your Chapter 1 lab activity, your SMART goals. So what I'm looking for is you review each of these documents here, watch these 2 videos, and then I want you to write 4 SMART goals and place them in a Word document. The SMART goals should be very short in length, only about 1 sentence long. So write 4 of them on a Word document and attach it here. Then I also need you to complete the Healthy People 2030 assignments. Click on this link here, Healthy People 2030, read that article and then answer these questions here. Okay. In addition to that, starting on Wednesday, I need you to start on your first exercise log. And that log will be located in Concept 2. Okay. So let's go to Concept 2 here. Okay. So these assignments in Concept 2 are going to be due next Wednesday. Okay. Here's the chapter for you to read. Here's a quiz. Here's a discussion board. And then you will need to complete your exercise log 1. So let's look at that. So I want to give you a good understanding of what that all entails. So I have it pulled up here. Okay, so this is what your weekly exercise log is going to look like. Just disregard PED 110. It's the same log if you take that class as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to read each of these questions here, and you're going to record what you're doing per week. So the first one here is your SMART goals. So what I'm encouraging you to do on this week's assignment that's due on Wednesday, review those documents, and then every time you see a exercise log that is due, and remember, I would prefer for you to follow the course syllabus in the class on all the due dates. So don't go by Blackboard. Sometimes, again, the dates don't really sync together. So always use the syllabus course schedule. Okay, and you can see the due dates and what is due in the class. And you can see on here I mentioned for you to start working on your exercise log 1. Okay, so let's go back to that. So I need for you to write when each exercise log is due, which will be listed on the course syllabus, 2 SMART goals that you have for the week. So I gave an example here. I'd like to exercise, excuse me, at least 4 times per week for at least 20 minutes each time. Okay. And then for physical activity, and I get a lot of questions about this one. So I would need you to perform at least 10 activities over a 5-day period. And what that comes down to is about 2 activities a day. Now, each activity that you perform needs to be at least 15 minutes in length. Now, you're feel free if you want to go longer or do the activity longer, that's fine. Just let me know how long, but it needs to be at least 15 minutes to receive full credit. I need you on the activity to include the date, the name of the activity, and the time you performed it. So some examples that I included here is walking, jogging, biking, yard work, housework, weight training, sports games, hiking, your exercise routine, if you're going to the gym, if you're running on a treadmill, if you're participating in a weight training program, stretching, yoga, etc. Okay, and I gave some examples here of what it should look like. Your daily caloric intake. So I need you to record how many calories you are consuming over a 5-day period. So try to record the serving size per calories consumed per day. And this, so if you look on the back of a package, you can see the amount of the product that you're consuming. So it's a half a cup, and it'll also give you the amount of calories. I need you to record 5 days. Try to give me a really good idea of how many calories you're recording. Okay, if you forget something one day, and you can't really remember what it is, try to give me a good estimate as to how much you consumed and how many calories that was. I need you also to record your body weight for 5 days, include the date and weight recorded. And I need for you to record your body fat estimate. So, and how you do that is you're going to click on this URL here, and it's really important that you open the URL in Google Chrome. Okay, I have it already opened to save some time. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to open this in Chrome, okay, and you're going to select male or female, your age, so you're going to arrow up to get to your correct age. You're going to your height in feet, arrow up, in inches, arrow up, and your weight, and then you're going to hit calculate. If you look, it'll give you an estimate for your body fat percentage. I need you to record that in that document right here, okay, for each of the 5 days, okay? So start working on that. Either you could even do it as early as tomorrow on Tuesday, but no later than Wednesday, okay? All right, that's all I have for this video. Please make sure that you are reading each assignment very carefully and you are asking me any questions, and I'll try to address any concerns that you have in the class. Have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.